What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tim Aslan here with Counter Trend Capital, bringing you a quick, exciting YouTube video. I'll keep this quick, but essentially what it is us, Counter Trend Capital, decided to join the copy trading on BingX. So if you're not familiar with copy trading is essentially we're going to take trades with our account, and your account will automatically take those exact same trades with the exact same stop losses, the exact same take profit. And it takes those trades at the same ratio. So like, let's say our account has $1,000 in it and your account has $2,000 in it. If we decided to use 10% of our margin for a trade, our trade would be $100 and your trade would be $200. So it's the exact same percentage of proportion. So that makes it really nice. And this is mainly going to be done through our 8-figure trader, Oyabun. And he is an exceptional trader. He's been trading for 8 years now. He's grown his account to 8 figures, and he does Elliott wave theory, he does market structure, and he uses exo charts. So he's definitely someone who you want to copy trade. And all you have to do is go in the link below, sign up for BingX. If you haven't already, use that top link, and you'll get 20% off fees while you do this. Keep that in mind. Now then, click the second link, and that brings you to this page, which is the copy trading profile page. You're going to make sure you're on the perpetual futures tab, and then click accept copy trading invitation. Now this menu is going to pop up, and some people get a little confused here. So you want to make sure this says position ratio. Okay, then you can decide how much funds you want to put in. So let's say your BingX account has $10,000 in it, right? You don't want to give him the full 10K yet. You want him to prove himself first. Totally fine. So you're going to put in 5,000 right there. And this will be a completely separate section of BingX. You'll still be able to trade on your own. This will just be running in the background, which is really cool. Now, copy traders positions immediately. I would keep this off because we're already in a trade, for example. If this was on, it would put you in that trade right away, even though you missed the entry. So just keep that off right now. And then whenever we do a new position, it'll be in. TP stop loss, don't worry about this. Oya will set that all for you. And then pair, this one is important. Right now it auto selects only 39 out of the 180 available pairs because it thinks coins like AVAX and INJ are a higher risk than other coins like XRP. Doesn't make sense to me, but what you need to do is click all pairs right there. Confirm, click this that you've read the disclaimer. Go ahead and read that. And click copy now, and that's it. And you'll be able to automatically follow the trades through the app. It's really, really cool. You'll be able to grow your portfolio through this way and on your own through your own trades. Now the Discord is still open and operational. The Discord will primarily be used for live market updates, education, and signals from our 3 other traders that are in there. But Oyabun's trades will mostly be through this platform now, okay? Please leave your questions in the description below. It's real simple to set up, but I'm totally happy. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. And I'm really excited for this new venture, and hopefully, we can make you guys some money. But keep in mind, there is risk associated with this. You could lose all your money, and be extremely careful. We are not giving financial advice in any way, shape, or form. This is totally up to you if you want to do this, and it's through the BingX platform, so everything is legit and professional. But, just keep that risk factor in mind. What I would recommend is put some money in, see how Oyabun manages it so far, and if you're happy with the results, you can always add more money. Okay? Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.